Welcome to my late night series on quick data analysis. There's going to be 6 little videos titled appropriately. The first one is going to be focusing on how to sort and inspect your data initially. Now, this is meant to be lightning fast. If I've got a bunch of data in a spreadsheet, what I want to do is first I need to work out where the extremes, the outliers are, because I might decide to delete them or not from my data. Now, the easiest way to do that is just forget about the changes I'm doing. I've just got a little data here. Easiest way to do that is you select your data. So here I've selected my data and I go to, in my toolbar, maybe it's under data. Normally it's under, oh, there we go. And I click the filter button. And when I click the filter button, this little drop down occurs here. I can now use this drop down to do things like sort from smallest to largest. Now I can see the smallest and I can see the largest. And I've highlighted the largest here. I can sort from largest to smallest. Or maybe it's I don't want to sort it because it could affect other columns next to it. I might want to apply a filter. For example, I just want to show numbers that are greater than, let's say numbers greater than 50. Okay, done. Perfect. Now, if I want to clear my filter because I want to just see all the original data, I've got 2 options. I can hit the clear filter button here, which is on the data tab, and I'm back to my original data. And that is the very quick version of seeing your data and inspecting it.